Hi, it's Melissa Kalu. Welcome, Slayers, to the Slay Masters, the best place for beauty, community, and self-expression. Who's ready for Halloween? I know I am. What about you guys? In today's video, we're going to recreate a simple Halloween hairstyle. It's something you guys can wear when you're trick-or-treating or if you're just having fun at home. So let's go. You're going to want to make sure you brush out your hair, just so there's no knots in it. Then you're going to take the comb. Now that you've parted your hair, you're going to start on doing one side bun here and another one here. You're going to take your brush and comb forward. Going to twirl your hair and create a bun. You're going to wrap whatever hair sticks out. You're going to take your hair tie and secure your bun. Give a fuller look. You can loosen the bun like that. Take a bobby pin. Now you're going to do the other side. And take your hair and twirl it and make a bun. Take your hair scrunchie. Like that. I'm going to turn the collar down. Make sure to cover your neck because you're gonna have a lot of fun. So for this step, you're gonna wanna be outside. You do not want to spray this inside your house because it could get really messy. Trust me, I know. This is the Hyde Eek from Target. It is a temporary hair spray that you spray in your hair. It's gonna turn my dark hair into red. So what you're gonna wanna do first is give it a good shake. You're gonna keep the spray bottle 10 inches away from your hair. You're gonna spray small little bursts, and you're gonna start off with a thin layer, let it dry, and keep applying more until you get the shade of red. You're gonna wanna put on gloves for this. So I let my hair dry. As you can see, the red got brighter. What do you guys think? Make sure to join our community, sign up for our newsletter, and subscribe down below. Now let's go slay.